Here we've got HTC Desire 20 Pro, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, tap on the more icon and go to the settings. Now click on voicemail and tap on notifications. Here go to the advanced options and select sound. So here we've got all the possibilities. Let me start with default notification sound. Then choose the one that you like the most, tap on OK. Okay, so one more time, I didn't mark it. OK, and as you can see it has been changed. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.